box to purchase it. Number 3 is ANYCUBIC KOBRA MAX 3D printer. Are you tired of searching for the perfect 3D printer to create excellent car parts? The ANYCUBIC KOBRA MAX 3D printer is here to rev up your printing game. With its impressive build volume of 17.7 by 15.7 by 15.7 inches, 45 by 40 by 40 centimeters, you'll have plenty of space to bring your automotive dreams to life. But what sets the KOBRA MAX apart from the competition? It's got a self-developed Anycubic LeviQ Leveling Function that makes leveling and printing a breeze. With just one button, this intelligent and precise calibration system compensates for any unevenness in the heated bed, giving you a smooth and hassle-free experience. And let's remember the construction and precision. The KOBRA MAX boasts a double-thread Z-axis moving structure, which means minimal shaking and no lost steps. You'll be amazed at the detail this printer can achieve, allowing you to create car parts with stunning accuracy. Safety is also a top priority with the KOBRA MAX. Thanks to its filament runout detection feature, the printer intelligently monitors the filament supply. If it runs out mid-print, don't worry! The printer will automatically pause without losing any progress. If you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in